Now very important point comes up is what? Strategy batao. Everything is okay. Mathematics and all that. Achha, for checking this out, every time will you have to calculate these moving averages? That's why we have the softwares. Na? Softwares will automatically calculate and give it to you. So don't worry if your maths is not that good. Okay, everything will be ready-made for you, but we need to understand what is that. That's why I told you. So what is a buy strategy? First understand, then write down. When 5 days exponential moving average, all the analysts will directly say, if you see on CNBC, the 5 DEMA has done this with 13 DEMA. First time when I heard, I said, who? So no one will even bother to tell what is DEMA. So now, had I told this as the first slide today, 5 DEMA cuts the 13 days DEMA or 13 DEMA from below, you'd feel like, madam knows a lot, we don't know anything. And that's the aura that every other person tries to create. I go generally the reverse way. First I make everyone at par with me. Now everyone understands we all are same. And now you will say, even I know what is DEMA. Okay. So what is DEMA? It's very easy. What is DEMA? Day exponential moving average. And we know what's the difference between simple moving average and exponential moving average. Very easy now. Yes. So 5 days exponential moving average cuts the 13 days exponential moving average from below. From below. It's an anticipatory buy. Okay. So let's take this as a simple example. Let's say I have plotted the 13 days exponential moving average on a graph. Okay. And 5 days exponential moving is going like this. Now this point where the 5 days line has cut the 13 days line from below, it's an anticipatory buy. In anticipation we might buy, but that will be for more aggressive buyers, more aggressive traders or investors. Is this a confirmatory buy that we are talking about? We talked about an anticipatory buy. When will I get the confirmation? When 5 days exponential moving average cuts the 26 days exponential moving average. 5 DEMA cuts 26 DEMA from below, then it's a confirmatory buy. Okay. From below means what? That's what I'm telling you. Okay, I'll try to draw it here so that it's easy for you to understand. Okay, this is a graph. Prices are from 0, 50, 100, 150. Okay. Let us say this blue line signifies the current market price. This is CMP, current market price. Okay. I'll try to use different colors. Okay, this black line is what? 5 DEMA. 26 is, let's say like this. Sorry, 13. 13 is what? 13. So 13 days moving average is that green line. Okay. Right now, can I say that 13 days average is way above the current market price? Means what might have happened? Has the price fallen in the recent past? Again, this is plain mathematics and plain logic. My 13 days average is coming to 100. And my current price is coming to, let us say, 80. Has the price fallen in the recent past? Yes, it has. Now, in this case, can I say current market price, blue line, I should show something like this maybe? Will this be more correct, more appropriate? Yes? Everyone okay? Right? My black line, which is the 5 days moving average, also would go similar to the current market price. Yes, so like this. Okay. And the 26 days moving average, which I'm drawing, let us say, in a multicolor one, is, let us say, somewhere like this. Can I say 26 is to way above the current market price, way above 13 days average, way above 5 days average? Yes. In simple words, can I say in the last 1 month, the stock price has corrected a lot? Corrected a lot means what? Has gone down a lot. Is this okay? Now let us understand. Instead of drawing a lot of lines, this is just a basic understanding, first of all. Now let's take this scenario where understanding what do you mean by cuts down from below and cuts from above. So this was your 5 days moving average, let us say. Okay. I'll just change it. Wait, so that you get a better understanding. This is 26. Green is 13. Now check out the blue line carefully. 5 days. What has happened? The 5 days moving average line has cut the 13 and 26 from below. Means, can you tell me what might have happened to the current market price? Is it going, I have not even plotted the current market price on this graph right now. Will it be sharper than the 5 days moving average? Those who don't understand sharper or blunt, that's okay. Is it going in the upward direction or downward direction? Upward direction. That's why the latest 5 days average is catching up with the longer term average, with the longer time frame average. Do you see signs of bullishness or bearishness? Bullishness. And that's why it is said that when the 5 days line, the blue line, is cutting the 26 line from below, then it's an anticipatory buy. If it is cutting the 26 line also from below, then it's a confirmatory buy. Why is that so? Because that's what I'm telling you the reason. That the 5 days, the latest average is surpassing the longer average. So is the stock showing signs of strength or weakness? Sign of strength. Now, just imagine this. The 5 days average cuts 13 days average and 26 average on the same day. Can I say that that's like absolute strength? Yes? Everyone agrees? Again, I will tell you. When are we going to buy? After we get confirmations. Buy high, no problem. Same strategy. Same strategy. We are waiting for confirmations. If we wait for confirmations, we might not be in a position to gain a lot, but we'll be taking comparatively safer bets. And still, if we are taking it based on 5-6 indicators, we're still going to get a lot of money. Don't worry. Is this okay? Yes. So now do you understand what do you mean by cutting from below and cutting from above? I told you for above. Now let us take this. I want everyone to answer. This is 26 days moving average. Let's say this is your 13 days moving average. And your 5 days moving average is like this. 5 days moving average. Yeah. Now do you understand? The current market price of the stock, I have not even plotted it on the graph. But definitely, the fall of the current price will be sharper. And that is why the average is also going down. Okay? Is the 5 days moving average cutting from below or is it cutting from above? It's cutting from above. And this is a sign of bearishness. And the previous one will be showing a sign of bullishness. Is this okay? Have you understood this? What do we mean by cutting from below above? No need to draw? No need to draw, no? He's confused? Or you want to draw? Okay. But be a bit quicker. Don't use all colorful pens and all that. Just write 5, 13, 26. Finish it off quickly. It's very difficult to dictate this one because going up, going down, how do I dictate that? Is this done? Everyone? So now the main point, which is strategy. Write down heading as strategy. Only the first indicator. We are at the closure of the first indicator, that is moving averages. Okay. So 5 DEMA strategy. Write down first strategy. Strategy is for buy. Strategy dash buy. We are first dictating the buy strategy. 5 DEMA cuts 13 DEMA from below. 5 DEMA cuts 13 DEMA from below. Dash. Which type of buy is it? Anticipatory buy. Anticipatory buy. Correct? And next one is 5 DEMA cuts 26 DEMA from below. Dash confirmatory buy. Confirmatory buy. Okay, who can tell me a sell strategy? That is like very easy now. Ulta. Instead of the word below, I'm going to write the word above. Okay, so just write the note below. No need to write down everything again. Just write down a note. Write note dash. Instead of the word below, we use the word above. Instead of the word below, if we use the word above, it will be which type of strategy? It will be a sell strategy. It will be a sell strategy. Days exponential moving average. DEMA. Okay. Now, till date, whatever we have learnt, if we try to combine the strategy now, stock is in an uptrend, higher highs are being formed, plus 5 days DEMA cuts 13 DEMA from below, and 5 DEMA anticipatory, and also 5 DEMA cuts 26 from below, confirmatory, plus uptrend. What about volumes? Should be more as compared to the last 5. If that be so, then again it is showing signs of bullishness, buy. Plus you find a bullish engulfing candlestick. Wow. So basically, are you waiting for more and more confirmations? Don't wait for all confirmations, till then it will be exhausted. Okay. And then it will go down. So try for 2, 3, 4 confirmations. If you just go on for more and more and more till and days are passing by, don't do that. You might try to find more and more indicators in just a span of 1 or 2 days. If that be so, go ahead and buy. Don't worry. Okay. So what is the important point? Buy call is strengthened if the volumes are also in the same direction. No need to write this down. We have already written this down many times. If volumes are higher, it's definitely better. It'll give you more confirmatory buy. 5 DEMA cuts 13 DEMA and 26 DEMA on the same day with increased volumes. Wow, that's going to be like an amazing thing. Is the stock showing more and more strength? Again, no need to write it down. Normal point hai, 5 DEMA cutting, 13 DEMA, 26 DEMA, same day, plus increased volume, plus some, let us say, morning star candle pattern. Ekdam, jingat, ekdam up in the air. Okay? Fair enough. So, sell strategy, same things I have just written in the reverse way. I don't think we should write it down. We have already written the main point for that. Is this okay?